Are you ready to unlock your inner inventor? Dive into the exciting world of Arduino Uno, the ultimate platform for creating incredible projects. Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, we have the perfect starter kit to ignite your creativity and get your ideas to life. Join us as we explore the top Arduino Uno starter kit for beginners, filled with endless possibilities and the power to shape the future. Unleash your potential, learn new skills, and become part of a thriving community of makers. Get ready to be surprised by what you can achieve with Arduino Uno. Get ready to embark on an experience of innovation and discovery. The Arduino Uno starter kit is your ticket to endless creativity. Let's do something incredible together. Welcome to the world of Arduino Uno. Welcome to our channel, where we investigate the fascinating world of Arduino Uno and the best starter kit for beginners. In this video, we will dive into the top Arduino Uno starter kit that will help you kickstart your journey into the exciting realm of electronics and programming. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or a tech enthusiast, this starter kit is the perfect choice to unleash your creativity and bring your innovative ideas to life. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the best Arduino Uno starter kit, let's take a quick look at what Arduino Uno is all about. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P, offering a wide range of digital and analog output pins. It's popular among beginners due to its simplicity and versatility. With Arduino Uno, you can build exciting projects, automate tasks, and easily create interactive devices. The Arduino Uno board is the heart of the kit, providing a programmable platform that allows you to control and interact with various components. It features a microcontroller, input, output pins, and USB connectivity. The simplicity of Arduino Uno makes it an ideal choice for beginners who want to dive into electronics and programming. Now, let's explore the top Arduino Uno starter kit that will equip you with everything you need to embark on your Arduino journey. This starter kit includes a comprehensive set of components, sensors, and modules carefully curated for beginners. It comes with an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, jumper wires, LEDs, resistors, a servo motor, a temperature and humidity sensor, and much more. The Arduino Uno starter kit provides all the essential components to build various projects. Let's take a closer look at what's included. Arduino Uno board, the central component that allows you to program and control your projects. Breadboard, a versatile platform for prototyping circuits without the need for soldering. Jumper wires, essential for connecting components on the breadboard. LEDs and resistors, perfect for creating lighting effects and learning basic electronic circuits. Servo motor, this enables you to build projects involving motion and robotics. Temperature and humidity sensor, you can monitor environmental conditions in your projects. With these components, the possibilities are endless. You can build projects such as a smart home weather station, an automated plant watering system, a digital thermometer, a motion-activated LED display, and much more. The included components are carefully selected to provide a diverse learning experience and to help you unleash your creativity. Learning Arduino Uno is an exciting journey, and this starter kit is designed to make it enjoyable and educational. The kit provides a detailed guidebook with step-by-step instructions and example projects along with the hardware components. It covers the basics of programming and wiring connections and gradually introduces more complex projects. You'll learn how to create a traffic light system, a digital thermometer, a motion-activated LED display, a home automation system, and more. The guidebook is your companion throughout your Arduino journey. It provides clear explanations, diagrams, and coding examples to help you understand and apply the concepts to your projects. Whether you're a beginner or have some programming experience, the guidebook will enhance your learning and inspire you to explore new possibilities. The top Arduino Uno starter kit equips you with the necessary components and knowledge and encourages you to enhance your skills and creativity. As you progress through the projects and gain more experience, you can customize and expand upon the provided examples. Once you've mastered the basics, you can take your projects to the next level. Add sensors to detect environmental conditions or incorporate displays to showcase data. Connect your Arduino Uno to the internet and create projects that interact with online services. The more you experiment and explore, the more confident you'll become in designing and building unique projects. Arduino Uno has a vibrant and supportive community of makers, enthusiasts, and professionals. You're also gaining access to this incredible community by choosing the top Arduino Uno starter kit. Online forums, social media groups, and makerspaces provide opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, ask questions, and seek inspiration for your next project. The community has tutorials, project ideas, troubleshooting tips, and collaboration opportunities. It's a valuable resource to expand your knowledge, get feedback on your projects, and find solutions to challenges you may encounter. Embracing the Arduino community will fuel your passion for electronics and open doors to exciting opportunities. In conclusion, the top Arduino Uno Starter Kit for beginners provides an excellent platform to dive into electronics and programming. With its comprehensive components, educational guidebook, and endless project possibilities, you'll be well equipped to unleash your creativity, develop new skills, and bring your ideas to life. Whether you're interested in home automation, robotics, IoT projects, or want to learn about electronics, the Arduino Uno Starter Kit is your gateway to a world of innovation. So, what are you waiting for? Grab the top Arduino Uno Starter Kit, embark on your journey, and let your imagination soar. Discover the endless possibilities and join the community of passionate makers. Remember, the only limit is your creativity. Thanks for watching.